How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. I'm starting this vlog out kind of late in the day. It's Saturday. It's about 4 o'clock. Just got off work. Right now I'm at the K1500 watering hole, getting her filled up. But anyways, up at Pigeon Forge right now is the Smoky Mountain Jeep invasion. I'm gonna head up there with my friend Bailee. We're gonna go see what's going on up there. It's gonna be a great time, and you know, maybe we'll see. I know we're gonna see some cool Jeeps, but maybe we'll see some badass trucks too. So we'll see where it goes. Badass, I like that.
That's me.
That's badass. I like that a lot. We are mobbing in Gatlinburg. So unfortunately, we did not get to go to the Jeep show because it was kind of closing when we got there, and it was.
Sorry, we had to get makeup instead.
She, not. There's no we in this, Bailee. It's just she.
We are a united front.
Okay, apparently I'm wearing makeup now. Anyways, so we're in Gatlinburg right now trying to find somewhere to eat because we're starving. We want beer. Kids, don't drink beer unless you're 21 years over.
It's gonna get lit.
Oh my god, everyone keeps cutting me off. I swear to god, you're gonna find out what a bull bar will do. Stupid Camry from freaking South Carolina.
South Carolina people can't drive anyways.
Heard it first from Bailee. As we just got done eating, we had a good time. Went to Smoky Mountain Brewery, so if you're ever in this Gatlinburg or anything, make sure you hit up Smoky Mountain Brewery for eating. It's a fantastic restaurant, got great food, and if you are 21 or over,
some good drinks.
She had a Long Island iced tea. I just had half of a thing of a red ale. It was really good.
It was gross.
We did wait the legal limit. We're not driving drunk or sober or whatever.
I ain't driving, period.
Hey, you ain't driving at all. But as people cut us off again.
Such jerks. Oh, I like that.
The rat rod.
That's neat. Sounds like shit, but it's neat.
We got some few old hot rods rolling down. Ooh, tea bucket.
I love the little nod he gave you.
What's up? That Jeep's gonna give me a seizure if I keep looking at it.
You don't have Epic.
Yeah, no kidding. Look at all the Jeeps though, good God. And the funny part is they're all unique in their own way.
Like the angry ones.
The angry. Yeah, Bailee likes the angry ones. Hashtag when your roof is strong enough for you to sit on it. I can't do that on my truck. Yeah, it's the BMS guys' truck. Kids, don't get addicted to caffeine. It's not good. It's not good at all. Okay guys, it is Sunday. We got back last night kind of late from Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg. Always awesome hanging out with Bailee and all that, catching up and whatnot. She's in the Air Force, guys, so, you know, huge shout out to the Air Force and everyone in the armed military and stuff. Thank you all for allowing us to do what we can in this country while protecting us stuff. Huge major respect. But anyways, we're gonna go over to we're over to Mexico and Lake Mexico today. That tells you anything. We're gonna hang out with Hunter and all them, so it's gonna be a great day. So let's get it started. Bottoms up, boys. Man, it tastes so good. Back in Mexico. God, I love being in Mexico. Back there. Yeah, turn around. We're running off. Jeep. We're jeeping. Here we go. Now we're good. So here at Trucks and Water, not only do we like trucks, we also like Jeeps. And I know how a dog feels down why they like this so much. Where are we going? We're going to Mexico. forever to leave so we can go to the Mexico farm. We just got done with the lake, guys. We're heading over to Mexico. We're gonna do some fun stuff over there and see where we go from there. Back in Mexico now. There's the Platinum. Holy crap! Reckless driver! Reckless driver! Yeah, I need to see your license and registration, please. I hope you have good insurance. Yeah, buddy. Hi there. Yeah. Hunter? Hunter?
Yes.
Got my new ride, guys. 90 cc's of absolute fury. Charge! Go! She did good. Oh, damn it. Oh, those look so good.
Oh, no.
And you gonna put the LED bulbs in it?
Yep.
Yeah, buddy.
Put my other ones in there for.
I had 90 seconds worth of fun on the golf cart, or the four-wheeler, and now we're on the golf cart. In this crap. So we'll see what we can do with this. Oh no.
Shoot.
That's a ditch. That's a ditch.
Oh shit. Oh.
Hashtag flex life, bro.
This thing's not as smooth as the four-wheeler.
No.
Or the Razor.
No.
I'm probably gonna get stuck.
Problem. Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
Hi there.
Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to hit the gas. Yeah, I can get down here and probably over here. Whoa. Damn.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
This thing's a little on the uncomfortable side. Well, they smooth this out, that's good. I don't know if we're gonna make it up this hill. I have to let her sit for a second. She'll overheat going up this hill.
Well, we better get a running start then. Oh my god. You can't tell on the camera how steep this is. This is a lot steeper on camera.
It is.
Alright, in person. We're almost there! Oh, they made this. Oh, wow.
We made it.
Not one hiccup. Convoy, we got the 90cc to start again. Going for the overtake. I went for the overtake. This thing has like no brakes whatsoever. We just got backfire. It's an import. It got backfire. It might spit flames. Trail right here. Sliding around the corner. Got a pin. Yeah, it has this full wheel in the building. These guys are 50, I've got the 90. You asshole! Ah, you damn it, Hunter! gotta try this at home. Hunter's gonna do something he shouldn't do at home. Oh my god, he's hit with speed. I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! I got buried right there. We're back on the golf cart now. Put the ATVs up. It's got a horn. We beat those little things to, oh god.
Oh my god, they got just absolutely tossed around like a rag doll.
Pretty much. So we are now in an F350, Hunter's family's platinum F350. We're gonna take it out for a little spin because it needs to be worked. Oh, that torque. Just from stock.
And that's not even like quarter throttle.
Oh, I know. Oh my gosh.
She's made to tow, let me tell you.
She's made to pull.
Look at her tow mirrors, watch they'll extend. Platinum.
Platinum.
I wish I had this vehicle.
No kidding.
Truck. This is a farm truck. This thing gets used and abused. Our trucks get treated better.
Yeah. And how many miles got on it, Hunter?
This is a lot for a 6.7, but about 36,000.
Very much so. It's a lot of miles for a 6.7.
Yeah.
Can't even say it with a straight face.
That's like, you gotta scrap it at that point.
Yeah.
Just kidding. This is
Bummer.
one of my favorite motors.
Yes.
Diesel-wise.
The only thing you have to do when
for newer trucks.
Yeah, for the only thing you have to do if you want to turn them up, especially past tunage, is you gotta take out the plastic piping and put metal ones so it'll blow apart. I wish we could take this to Daytona and tow the rigs, but
dude, we could tow both of them.
Literally.
I'm not kidding.
Yeah.
This thing pulls like over a 25,000 pound horse trailer. It'll pull our two trucks and a huge flatbed.
Oh yeah. It does.
Saddle brown. Horse saddle leather. It's fantastic.
It is so
Some
good.
people probably think we're weird.
Probably.
I think of it as kind of like a, I don't know. I would say fetish, but that's gonna scare some people.
We do not have a fetish. It's an addiction.
It's an addiction.
That's a better. Okay, kids. We're taking a $70,000 truck through your basic car wash. I do not recommend this. I do not condone this. Hunter has heard my frustration.
We're seeing how much this thing was. Here's the window sticker.
Let's see here. $65,895.
Compared to what they are now?
80-something thousand.
80. So they've gone up like 20 grand in 4 years?
Mm-hmm.
Although they were that much in 17 too, so 3 years really. I know it just hurts you going to a car wash, Josh, but
I don't like this.
It's all we can do.
No.
Copyright, sorry.
This is painful. I'm not gonna lie, this is very painful.
Your truck's next, Josh.
No.
I'll give you $1,000.
You pulled $1,000 maybe.
Would you take it?
Maybe.
If we could make sure wheels didn't, or they did.
Yeah, that's the thing. What's up, guys? I'm about to drive one of my favorite trucks to drive. Alright, let me do this now. Manual mode. It's like my mom's truck. So this is the power steering's a little bit different. Buy an OBS Chevy, guys, because I had to go to O'Reilly's to pick up a part for the truck. And it was cheaper than Amazon though, but I went to O'Reilly's, and you'll see that in a video that'll be tagged, popped up now if you haven't seen it already. And it's something that's not been talked about in the forums much, but y'all need to check into it because it could be an issue, so check in it. I swear, like, I pretty much just made an ass of myself. I'm sitting there in traffic at a light waiting to go to Walmart because I need more tire shine. Hashtag first world probs. But I'm sitting there in traffic and I look over and there's a lifted 3rd gen Cummins. There's this, I think it's an 08 model because it was a 6.7, not the 5.9. And I was just looking at it, I was like, damn, it's nice black, but it's clean. I'm like, shit, you don't see many black, clean Cummins. You know, black's like one of the hardest colors to keep clean. So I'm sitting there and I'm looking at it, and there's this like really attractive girl. I'm talking really attractive girl driving it, and I stared horribly. I feel like a complete ass. I was like, fuck. And yeah, that was a whole lot of fun. Literally just going out to get truck shining products and cleaning products, and your basic maintenance is more expensive than a date night for me. Which, I mean, I don't know about you all out there, but for all the girls that watch the videos, perfect date night for me would be literally Chick-fil-A and laying underneath the stars in the back of the truck. I mean, pretty simple guy, but a lot of you guys will probably agree with that. I hate spending, I'll be honest with you, I hate spending money in general, but I'm like, I don't know how these guys do these complicated dates where they're spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars to take a girl out, when it's like, literally, especially you country girls, love spending a night underneath the stars in the back of a truck. Dating advice for trucks and water. Well, guys, the windshield has been replaced on the K1500. That's right, no more cracks in it, no more anything like that. Is completely replaced. So you know what that means? Come the most requested mod for this truck, except for the leveling kit, wheels, and tires, it'll be coming up very soon. Huge shout out to Josh with Safe Flight from Knoxville. He called me up this morning about 7:30. I was at work, telling me he was on his way. Got here like 8:07 in the morning to do my truck, and did a fantastic job. Man, if you're watching this video, I really very much appreciate you and your hard work. I mean, it looks phenomenal. No leaks. It piss poured rain at my house for like twice, and nothing's leaking, nothing like that. So huge shout out to you, man. You did a fantastic job. So if you need a windshield replaced or anything like that, hit up, try to get Josh from Safe Flight of Knoxville. So right now I'm gonna take off the tape, because you don't need the tape anymore. And yeah, it's she's all done. The only problem is, guys, and it sucks, is that Southern Trucks decals on the side of my truck. They're not in business anymore, so I can't get that decal again. But you know, sometimes certain things in your life, they have to go away. But you know, I'm so glad I got a brand new windshield. Oh my gosh.